Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Sign into the Google account. You'll use and open Google Voice on the web or app. Once done, make sure your forwarding phone number is added and verified via SMS. This is required for voicemail routing and notifications. Next, tap Settings in Google Voice and locate voicemail to start configuration. This step connects your incoming calls to voicemail options, so get your device close and notifications enabled before moving to the next configuration phase. Now configure voicemail settings. Enable voicemail and pick answering rules for unanswered, busy, or declined calls so you control when voicemail answers. Then record a personalized greeting, press record. Speak clearly, save, and immediately test by calling your own number to confirm playback quality. After that, enable voicemail transcription if you want text copies of messages, and select notification preferences so alerts arrive where you expect them. These choices determine how callers perceive you and how quickly you respond. Finish by running a full test. Call your Google Voice number, leave a message, check playback and transcription accuracy, and verify notifications on all devices. If voicemail picks up too quickly, adjust ring duration or forwarding settings so callers have adequate time. If messages aren't reaching you, confirm the forwarding phone number and that the Google Voice app has microphone and notification permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: if voicemail fails, remove and re-add the forwarding number and re-verify to refresh the routing settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.